Hello guys, today I am going to talk about one of the noble profession. Every student has a dream to become a doctor and engineer, but other than that, there are various noble professions. One of them is pharmacy. Before talking about the scope of doing a pharmacy, we should know the eligibility criteria for doing a pharmacy. You should have passed the class 12 with science stream with minimum qualifying marks. Scope of pharmacy is broader and wider than any other profession. After doing a pharmacy, many students think that they will get job only in pharmaceutical industries, but let me clear their confusion. After doing a bachelor of pharmacy or master of pharmacy, you will get involved in various organization or in various sectors, like you can join sales, marketing, you can become a R&D scientist, you can become a drug inspector of your state or central, you can become a drug analyst of state or central, you can open your own retail shop, wholesale shop, or chain pharmacy. You can do a patient counseling, you can become a hospital pharmacist, you can become a clinical pharmacist, you can join in various pharmaceutical companies in different sections like production, quality control, quality assurance, etc. After doing a master of pharmacy, you can become a professor or lecturer of the university. You can get job in your own pharmacy council. After doing a bachelor of pharmacy or master of pharmacy, you can do a pharm D. That is a new course. I hope students, your doubts are clear. After doing a pharmacy, you will not only get job in pharmaceutical industry. Other than that, there are various scope. Thank you for watching these videos. If I missed some of the scopes to mention, then kindly drop down your comments in the comment box. If you like this video, kindly subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Thank you.